friends, do you have something Valentine's Day hanging on your front door? If not, I've got you covered. I have an adorable and an affordable project that'll take you about 2 or 3 minutes to finish. Visit our website for a full supply list and step-by-step tutorial to create your very own paper heart wreath.